Shalom, shalom, brother. What's your name?
Shalom, I'm Officer Priest and Officer Malak of the ISUPK under Commander Juliana.
I'm Gabar Malak with Ram Gadar Gabarium.
Okay, it's nice to meet you, brother. Nice to meet you.
What y'all doing out here today?
Oh, we interviewing people, man, just trying to, get content on our page.
Let me ask you one question. What's one thing that our people can do to come together right now in these last days?
One of the things that we can do is we can come together under the authority of Christ. That's the thing. That's the one major thing we can all do.
So what is the downfall of our people, the reason why we not coming back to our culture, our heritage in these last days?
Oh, man, it's a lot of reasons, but the major reason is because we're so divided as a people. There's a lot of division amongst our people, amongst our brothers, amongst our sisters. There's a lot of division amongst the 12 tribes of Israel. There's people from the tribe of Judah, the so-called Negro, which I am, that hate the Mexicans. They absolutely hate them. There's Mexicans from the tribe of Issachar that absolutely hates the Judites, Negroes. So we first have to understand and learn our identity. That's the most important thing. You brothers, it seems like y'all know your identity, you Israelites.
Most definitely.
Our people need to learn that, which is one of the reasons we interview that oppressor, because as you know, our people will only respect our oppressor's beliefs. They only respect our oppressor's views. That's why the cops, when they came, you see, they didn't even ask us if we was okay. They asked him, like, are you okay? Did they force you to do this? Why wouldn't she ask the devil, he force us to do this? You see what I'm saying?
Most definitely.
Everybody respects our oppressor. Nobody respects blacks and Hispanics.
So last question is, what's going to stop this hate, this so-called black-on-black crime in our community amongst our brothers and sisters?
Blacks, Hispanics, and Native Indians got to join together, man. We got to come together under Christ. That's what we have to do. It's no other option. There's no other solution. We can't vote it away. We can't teach it away. We can't talk it away. Blacks, Hispanics, and Native Indians have to be sick and tired of the conditions we live in, and we got to make a decision. Either we're going to stay being Christian or Catholic or Muslim, we're going to continue to vote, or we're going to come and we're going to join the brothers and sisters that follow Christ. Yeah.
Peace and blessings.